Hi and welcome. This is just a wee quick tutorial here and it's the first one. Please consider subscribing if you like this content and you want to see more. So if you just go in here, you hit F7, that'll take you from here. This is your playlist. You hit F7, that takes you to the piano roll. Now you hit F6. Now what I'm going to do here is just drag this FL keys over to 1. Now all that means is, for example, if I play this, then you'll hear this. Right, hit F9. That's going to show up. This is what you call your channel rack. No, this is your mixer settings, sorry. F6 is the channel rack. Right, now I want to show you another couple of things. As you'll see here, there's nothing here. So see if you go to the top left and you hit the drop down here, you go to view and scroll down to key labels, and what I would go for is all notes. It'll make it easier. Now in order to do a chord progression, is for a major chord, everything I'm going to say here, right, your root note is 0, you go up, miss 3, you go to 4, 5, 6, 7. That's your major chord, okay? Now, the minor chord will keep in line with a C major chord progression. Now, with the minor chord, you'll notice your root note is the note of the chord that you're playing. Now, if you go up to, it's 0, 3, 7. So a major chord is 0, 4, 7. A minor chord is 0, 3, 7. Now what you're also going to want to do here is, though, if you're doing this C major chord, C major, A minor, D minor and G major. What you'll notice is it'll be all over the place here. So that's wrong. Now what you can do is, see if you hold down the control key and left click, you'll notice a wee square appears here. So just pull this down, lift your finger off left click, keep your finger on control and just hit the down key. What that is going to do is it's going to actually avoid dead spaces. It'll keep it all sounding, well, I'm saying nicer anyway. So let's try that. What you could do is, what I would do here is, see if you just do what I told you with the control and the left click. Now what I would do here is the middle notes, take that off the left click, hit up. That'll give it more of a, you know, a unison kind of sound, you know, like. Right folks, thanks very much for that. It was only just a wee warm up for my first kind of tutorial. Please, if you like what you've seen in this, please leave me a comment and let me know if there's anything else you would like to see or if I could help you with. And also consider subscribing so that you don't miss out future entries. Right, take care, God bless.